Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today it's going to be a little bit different with not no code but with JavaScript. I did before how to connect Webflow with OpenAI, Notion with OpenAI. Now I just want to show in a short video how to connect also with JavaScript and to put it in your own projects, the OpenAI. Like before, I also gonna use the image, so we're gonna create the image, and to be fair to to all the tutorials in a way, I'm not gonna show all the process of how to put the images in this website, but you can see that I'm gonna show you here. This part is already set for another tutorial that I will make it, where the images will gonna show up after you put the prompt. So, but all the HTML and the CSS is here. So this is where is the input and the image. So where we write the prompt, and then here it's all the styles. I can leave it in a file if you want to use it after. And now we just have to work with JavaScript and to connect the API. So first thing first, we need to go to the OpenAI and create a new key. So let's create, let's say, images. Just remember, I'm gonna pass here. Just remember, never use these APIs in public. So always, this is only for example, if you are using in a project with a backend, don't always hide your API key. Don't leave it open because it's easily can be stolen if you leave it in your project. This is only a demo, so that's why I'm gonna put it. But no matter what, after I'm gonna delete it after this tutorial. Yes, so after we pick up the key, we go back to our app and JavaScript file, and we create the API key. Okay, so here we have the API key that we connected, and let's just okay. So now that you have the API key, let's get the other elements from the HTML. So first we can get the let's see. Okay, let's get first the submit image. That is where we're gonna write the prompt. We can give a name of image. Wait, yes, it's an ID. So okay, this is one element that we sure need to pick up. The other, we need the input, where basically when we press to get the form, to get the prompt, and because it's input image and for selector input. Okay, and we also will need the well, we will need this if we're gonna put all the images for now, but we're just gonna create a URL, so I'm not gonna use it. So okay, so we have the API and we have the documents, the prompt and the submit. Now let's get we want the click event. We want that when someone presses, let me just show you. yeah, so when someone presses here, it creates the images that we put. So let's add first the click event. So to add the click event, we need the submit image, right? Yes, so in this image, we can add event list. The event list is going to be a click event, and we can create a function. Create the function create image. Yes, okay. Now in the function create image. Yes. Okay. Yeah. And because this is a wait function, let's have our try catch, and the catch is in case there is an error, the function is gonna catch the error, and if not, okay. Okay, yeah, so here it's gonna catch the error, and here we're gonna set the function itself to get the image. So let's put the error just in case we have something. Console log error. Okay, then and now in the try, we want first to get. Let's the documentation. It's easier. Okay. So I have it here, images, and we need this as a post. This is the link that we need to take. Create the image given a prompt. After that, go to here and get const response. And like I said, it's await, so fetch. And in the fetch, we need the sorry, yes, here, go back. Okay. And we're also gonna need options. Okay. All right. And the options we need to make are the methods that we can use. Like as you can see here, the method is post, and we also gonna need some headers, and the headers I tell you after what it is. So let's create here options. Okay, so method is gonna be post, and then if we go here to, I show you, oh sorry, I was showing you the wrong window. Okay, yeah, my bad. So you can see here I put const response await with the fetch, and we put the link that was there for the images and options, and then options I put method as post because that's what it is, but you also have to create the authentication in the headers. So let's go here, headers, yes. Okay, so where we see this? One way to see this is on the documents. Okay, yes. So here you need the authorization, and it's going to be bearer and then the open AI key. So do it like right. headers, like a head, yes. And to precision, yes. Then we have better, because it was what is the document. And we want to make backticks to insert the API key. So error, and then is here, and then we're gonna put API key. Okay, yes. Okay, so here we have the API key, and the other header that we need, it's a JSON object that we want to transform it to a JSON object. So, and I can show you also in the documents. Where you are here. Okay, content type application JSON. I think you can even copy paste. Yeah, just commas here. And this. All right. So, and again, I'm not showing you, right? Yes, of course I'm not. My bad. Oh, yeah. So here it is. Content type application JSON, and we are starting to be ready to go. Now what we need to set the body. So this is the headers. We need to set the body. I know how to write the body. And then we need to where it is. Oh, yeah. Here. So if you go here, images, create image, and body. Body, you need prompt. That is the only one that is required. So we do it like prompt, and yes, okay. We want that it's empty. We want to gather the people write and writer writes, and you get the element, the prompt from there. So here we don't leave nothing. But if we don't leave, we have to leave we have to get data from the okay, yeah, body prompt here, and you have to get the data here from the HTML. So this part, correct? So, and it's the submit image. The input image, sorry, yeah, the input image. So we go here and we say that it's the image, the value of the input image, okay? Yes, and what more we can make? So let me show you. We can make n, so the number of images can be 1 to 10. Say let's say it's 2, for example. Okay, and then size, yes, we can put that size. It's what are we gonna put as a size? Let's put the biggest one, 1024. Okay, so size 1024 times 1024. Okay, so this now we have the body. Of course, because this is a JSON, we need to JSON it the body, what it comes out. So there's a method that is JSON stringify. You just pass it in the body. Okay, all right, and well, that's almost it. So we have the key. We have the key here. This generation, this is the key. Now we just have to try, see if it works. Of course, then we have to get that. So do like here const data, and we need the data to be also an await dot response dot json. So log the data. All right. There are some things that I am missing. And oh, because this is await, so it's a sync function. So we need to put sync. Yes. And wait. Need here. Yes. Space. Okay. So should be basically ready. So we want when I show you where we are. So we want to write here something. We press, and when we press, we generate this click event. This click event gonna read the method is post of this that we fetch that API, and then the header add authorization where it has the API key, and then here it's the body where it has the prompt. That is what you write. Number of pictures, that's not necessary, but we put 2 and the image. Okay, let's try. And I'm gonna console it. Okay, refresh. Okay, so we can write organ cat pitch. Okay, change here the pointer. Now we wait and see what. Sometimes it takes some time. Okay, you see it create here for the array with 2, and we can open it. There's the data, and there's the URL. Let's try 2. All right, I'm gonna copy here and yeah, copy. That I broke the machine. Okay, but I have to take the comments. There it is, a dog and a cat in the beach. So let's go here and give you the other. Let's see if you choose that straight. Yeah. Hurry. Okay, comment out. And another dog and the cat. Okay, yeah. So now this is the basic. So to get the data, I can show you in another tutorial then how we can put this data here, but this is more about JavaScript, not so much about OpenAI. So I'll leave it out in this tutorial. Well, yes, so this is how you can easily get images with JavaScript with no need of automation from your OpenAI to your project. Hope you like it. If you have some doubts, please leave it in the comments, and see you next time. Bye.